We grow poppy so we can buy bread for the family to survive. No government has helped us. We don't have adequate water for other crops, so poppy becomes the only available option.
We have had problems of war for the last 40 years. There was no awareness of drug addiction, illiteracy, illegal refugees, and the problems of unemployment, mental health. These are all the reasons why people are so affected here by drugs.
These men have just arrived, and this is part of a process of where they get showered and have their haircut. Now, we're told that the amount of drug users has soared across the country over the last 20 years, and according to the United Nations, the amount of drug usage here is double the global average.
It will need a Taliban commitment, it will need a regional commitment for preventing the smuggling and mafia, and also it will require international community planned programs, supports, incentives for the farmers.